So for today's quick lunch, I stopped at a food truck, Dabo Rye. I caught him in beautiful Waynesboro, Pennsylvania.
If you're hungry, check me out. I got some good options for some food in your mouth. Where you local or just out and about? Checking with me, I can help you out. Chinese chicken wings or gyros with sour cream, blizzards with the chili, best pizza or hot wings. I'll try them for you, home cooked the fast break. Tapping with me, I'll find you the best steak. Where's Donnie eating? Wherever my car go, your favorite food guide. If you know, you know.
I got me the chorizo smash burger, smashed sausage, jalapeno sauce, Osaka cheese with fresh cut fries for $12. And for dessert, I got me the fried peanut butter and jelly sandwich. All right, guys, you know how I do. I always eat dessert first. Start out with the fried PB and J. This is the fried peanut butter and jelly, guys. Ooh, hold on. Nice, crunchy. Peanut buttery. Now this was $3, guys. This was only $3. I understand inflation. Great dessert. I'm gonna give the fried PBJ from Dabo Raw Food Truck, I'm gonna give this a 4. This is pretty good. Let me finish my dessert, and I'm gonna get right back at you guys. All right, finish my dessert. Let me clean my palate. I'm gonna start out with the fresh cut fries. Nice, big, thick, salty fries, guys. And good. Good job, Dabo. Those fries taste like fries. I'm gonna give those fries a 4 as well. Now, for the chorizo smash burger. Look at that. Cheese crazy. Give you guys another gander at the chorizo smash burger with the caramelized onions, jalapeno sauce, Osaka cheese, and the chorizo sausage. The bun is very soft too as well, guys. Look at that cheese. Let me get a bite. This is good. I love the jalapeno sauce. It's not too hot. It's like a nice little steam coming off the jalapeno sauce. It's not too hot. The sausage, the chorizo, Donnie likes it. I'm going to give this chorizo smash burger a 5. The chorizo smash burger and the fries definitely worth $12. Yeah. Good job. Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give Dabo Rye Sandwich Fusion, or Fusion of Sandwiches, I'm going to give them an all-around 5. It was nice, quick. Yeah. If you ever see the Dabo Rye food truck, give them a stop. Grab a chorizo smash burger. It's a good take on hamburgers, man. I'm going to tell you the truth. I can't complain. All right. That's the end of my quick lunch. I'll see you guys in the next one. I know I was gone for a while, but I was taking care of some business. But I'm back, y'all. Did you miss me? Anyway, do me a favor, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And don't you ever forget.
If you're hungry, check me out. I got some good options for some food in your mouth. Where you local or just out and about? Checking with me, I can help you out. Chinese chicken wings or gyros with sour cream, blizzards with the chili, best pizza or hot wings. I'll try them for you, won't cook the fast break. Tapping with me, I'll find you the best steak. Where's Donnie eating? Wherever my car go, your favorite food guide. If you know, you know. Yeah, baby, tap in.